Guys, today I'll show you how to make novel apple pudding. The ingredients are 4 green apples, peeled, cored, and thickly sliced. A quarter cup or 45 gram self-raising flour, sifted. 60 gram butter or margarine, cubed. A half cup or 100 gram caster sugar. 1¼ cups or 300 milliliter water. Now follow the method. First, place apple in a heat-proof dish. Place flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine with a spatula. Second, stir in sugar and water. Mixture should be lumpy. Pour over apples. Third, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour or until syrupy and golden. Serve warm with cream or ice cream.